Hello, Jonathan Pope here, Wilson County Emergency Management Director, and this week starting May 3rd through May 9th is Hurricane Preparedness Week. And we want to hit some topics on just some things that we need to review and maybe just remind yourself of to stay ready and to be prepared whenever something like this happens. You always remember a hurricane is something that not just impacts the coastal region, but it impacts inland. And sometimes those hurricanes can be small, but they can create heavy winds or heavy rain. So just knowing what might be coming our way is one thing to look at that. One thing is the categories. The categories of a hurricane only measures wind, so we don't know all the impacts that come along with that. We could have heavy rains with those hurricanes coming in. Another thing to remember is to know if you are in a flood-prone area. If you are, you always need to have an evacuation, a route or a place that you can relocate just in case floodwaters were to rise.